Hello and welcome to Brick Time. Here's the Lego architecture, the Burj Khalifa set. This nice architecture set is for ages 12 plus and is numbered 21031. This building is called the Burj Khalifa and is found in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. There's a printed picture of the building at the back of the box, and this set comes with 333 pieces. Now let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. It looks like we have two large bags of Lego bricks and a nice thick instruction manual. And here are a few more printed photos of the actual building. Now let's open up the bags of Lego bricks and start building. And here's the completed Lego architectural model of the Burj Khalifa. This is a tall one. It stands at 39 centimeters or 15.4 inches. The Burj Khalifa, which stands at 828 meters or 2,700 feet, is the equivalent of a 200-story building in real life, and it was built in the year 2010. So this building is about 3 times as tall as the Eiffel Tower and almost twice as tall as the Empire State Building. And here's a photo of the actual building in real life. Now to take a closer look at the model. So this build sits on a small base plate of about 3.7 inches, and there's the name of the building, Burj Khalifa, printed on the front. The base of the building is somewhat circular, but the rest of the bricks that make up the building are stacked in 3 vertical columns in a somewhat triangular fashion. And this model has been designed to just appear really tall. The height of this model has been simply impressive. I just wish a different color other than gray was used. And this is to give you an idea of the height of this model using the box as a comparison. Now looking more closely at the building, the facades have been created in a stepped fashion, and the steps are somewhat staggered to be different on all 3 sides of the building. At the same time, dark gray pieces have been aligned to appear at the same level on all 3 sides of the building. And there's effort here to make all sides of the very top of the building appear asymmetrical. And that's all I have to share on this Lego architecture Burj Khalifa set. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel or leave a comment, and I hope to see you again next break time. Goodbye.